St. Clair West, St. Clair West Station.
Layout is wonderful. Yeah, they have like the digital, like it says to stop, and then so the map lights up. Yeah. It was just funny because I remember I was like in like Japan in like 2005.
Well, I never seen
all
that.
that. And it was like. It's like a cottage country sort of town. I kind of hated it there. It was so like close-minded. Yeah, but it was what I wanted. So there's no way I can stay there. Like I haven't been back since Christmas. And like
Arriving at St. Clair West, St. Clair West Station.
Yeah, it's good to like chill out up there, but I cannot live up there. Everyone just looks at me like because I don't like wear my pajamas or whatever. Oh, here I am. Welcome. It was nice meeting you. And
The next station is Eglinton West, Eglinton West Station.
remember he could do that and then she did not say that at one point because she's getting upset and say that like, oh, I can take her wrong. She's getting out of it. She asked me to audit like days ago she asked me from Portugal and she's like, oh, I love her. She's like,
Eglinton West Station.
Good afternoon, Manuel.